I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches.
You guys, we just had the sweetest kid from the neighborhood. He had come, gosh, it's so bright, I don't even think y'all are gonna be able to see it, but he came and power washed our sidewalk and our driveway. It literally looks like a new driveway. Oh, and guys, wait, let's come over here, baby, where there's shade. Amelia wants to show you guys something. Say hi, Julian. Say hi. Say hello. Okay, Amelia wants to show you guys something. Come to this side, baby. Stand on this side. Okay. Let's see. Show me. Oh, she lost her front tooth. Finally.
Wait, I have to show them my...
So yeah, so he was so sweet. He's just like, I think a high school student, and he was going around, and so my husband hired him to do it, and he did a great job. Y'all can't even see because it's so sunny outside, but we've just been having the best day, right? We've just been having the best day ever, like always. Living our best life. Okay, show him. There's her tooth. The tooth fairy's gonna come. Yeah. Guys, and then, gosh, if something isn't always breaking here, this door handle won't close anymore, so I have to rig it with a rubber band. We need to go to Lowe's. We need to get a new door handle so that way it stays closed. But I just wanted to show you guys the driveway, even though you can't even see it because it's so sunny. It's so sunny. Okay, we're gonna get back to it. We got lots of cleaning to do today, right? Are you gonna help me clean? Say no way. Say I'm just gonna relax.
With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
know yet. I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you.
Okay, you guys, look, I am, let's see, there, you can tell now, red. I am sweating because I've been just up and down. Y'all saw I cleaned up Ellie's room, playroom, kitchen is done. But I wanted to share with you guys, I shared with everyone on Instagram, but look at what I found at HEB. It is a pink tortilla warmer, and it matches with my KitchenAid stuff, so super excited find. It's been a long day because I woke up super early. I'm just glad to have all the cleaning done. Now I'm gonna take the kids a bath, take a shower, and relax. So I hope you all enjoyed this clean with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you all in the next one. Bye!
We'll roll with the punches.